Hi, my name is Edward Pai. I'm a senior AI engineer based in Berlin, Germany, and I'm excited to be your instructor for this course titled Practical Python Programming from Novice to Professional. Python is a versatile and popular programming language that is used in several domains, and learning it properly is a necessary first step to breaking into an exciting and rewarding career in domains such as data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, also known as IoT, robotics, automations, backend engineering, and general purpose programming. So, this course will guide you by the hand from being a complete novice or beginner to becoming a professional who is adequately equipped to engineer complex software solutions to real world problems. And aside from tutoring you on this course, I also like to stay in touch with you to know your challenges and constructive criticisms or feedbacks on how this course can be improved to be the best course on this subject matter. And so I've indicated my phone number and email address on the screen to enable you to easily reach out to me. And I honestly can't wait to hear what you have to say to me. And so, in conclusion, I hope you enjoy taking this course as much as I enjoyed making it. And I will say goodbye for now and see you soon in class.